So guys, today we are just running a few errands. I actually have to film a different video for this hair. I got my baby boy in the back and we are running to the dollar store because it is that time of the month and everyone has to get something. I really want to start like weekly vlogging and kind of just like filming a little bit throughout each day. If you guys want to see the life of a 23-year-old mom, content creator, independent fashion designer, entrepreneur, then you know, hit that subscribe button, join for the journey, because I haven't really vlogged my life up until now, but I'm like at a point where I feel like let's just do it, you know, let's get into it. So yeah, I'm like loving this hair from Ali Pearl at the moment, like a chocolate brown kind of color, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I did my makeup already, but when I get home I'm actually gonna style this hair and put it in some like big curls and just get the last little bit of content that I need for that video. That might go up before or after this, I'm not too sure. I know I just had a baby and it's honestly probably a lot and like an interesting time to jump back into it, but I am home most days, working from home, doing things from home, taking care of my baby boy. So I definitely have more time to edit and hopefully I can film as well and create some content that you guys will enjoy. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram so we can stay connected a little bit more and just keep on watching. Full quick trip back to the car. I parked away from everybody else because I'm like antisocial. Does anybody else go in the dollar store and then go through that aisle where everything is like $1 marked down, no like extra price or anything, and just get things that they probably didn't need? They're pretty good. I got like some wet ones that I can throw in Noah's bag for like when we go out. I stocked up on some toothpaste, some just like extra body wash and things like that. Can't really go wrong. So just headed back home now because I want to go ahead and get this content out the way, and then when it cools down a bit I'm gonna go ahead and take Noah on a walk later. Makeup look today. So I'm back home, guys. Noah actually fell asleep on the way back, but it is time for him to eat, so I'm just gonna have a little snack. We're just having some fruit real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and breastfeed him, get him situated, either see if he's like up and wants to play with a toy, watch a show, take another nap, whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and curl this wig. Here's my little fruit salad. I have most of the footage pulled in. I actually recorded myself installing it, but if you guys can see, like right here, the hair is just like in its natural state, so I want to go ahead and curl the wig in like some big loose curls and actually show me styling it. Plus when I filmed I didn't have like lashes on and everything. So today I have my makeup done, ready to go, and I just need to do something about this hair right here. This pineapple, so sweet. Someone's having tummy time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah? Are you having fun playing with your toys? Are you having fun having tummy time?
Talking to you.
So guys, half of my hair is done. This is what I mean. So I added like these type of curls in my hair because this is how the hair looks. And it looks pretty, like it came in this natural body wave. I kind of wanted it to look a little more sleek and like actual look. I'm not gonna leave it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and curl this side and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. The camera that I'm filming with is about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair off camera and come back. But yeah guys, I love this chocolate brown color. It makes me want to dye like my natural curly hair this color because I really, really love how it looks. Okay, we are officially done with this hair. I think it looks so much better actually curled like this. Even though like the natural texture was pretty, I just love how this looks so much more. If you guys are interested, I'll have it linked down below. It is from Ali Pearl, 5x5. Get into it. I just love how like it has so much body. It's so soft, and I literally was able to film just in time because my camera is literally about to die. Hey guys, so it is a few days later since I've last vlogged. Baby boy is asleep right here in his mommy wrap, and yes, he can breathe. This is like not up against his face, and his little mommy wrap right here. Taking a little nap. I just got ready for the day, got him ready for the day. I have not been vlogging because it has been disgusting here in New York. Like, it's been so rainy, so gloomy. We have just been in the house, not really going on any outings or doing anything. So I kind of was just not doing my hair, looking a mess. Like today, I have my hair in a braid because it was just looking a mess. This is the same install though that I obviously just had in the rest of the video, but it's been a few days. And I usually never leave my wigs on for more than like 4 days. So that's why also like on YouTube I come and do like unboxings, installs, and a quick little review, because I usually just only keep the hair in for a few days, wash it, take it out, reinstall it, or just switch to a different hairstyle or wear my hair natural, give it a break. So it also would be nice for me to kind of do these vlogs so that way when I'm doing like hair reviews and videos, you guys can get a little more of an update and see how the hair holds up. But yeah, this hair is doing really good. I have not touched up this lace. It might be looking crusty, don't judge me, but not looking too bad. I'm gonna go out like this today. I'm wearing a bodysuit. Actually, let's go upstairs. Let's not even do this right now. It's actually like kind of late in the day too. It's around like 3 o'clock, but we're gonna go on a little family outing. Maybe walk in the park, even though it's still a bit gloomy. I can't really even show you the outfit, honestly, because Noah's in this wrap. But I did a Shein haul when I was pregnant. I was wearing this bodysuit. It's a black bodysuit that just has like ruching on the sleeves and it like flares out. I think it looks so cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you my outfit another time, honestly. Guys, look at Noah's bookshelf. Teddies. He has some books. This is actually my first little sneaker. It's a little baby Jordan, but I just put it up there with his little footprint. This little bear with the roses is actually a bear that my boyfriend got me, but I just put it up there because I really don't have nowhere else to put it. But I love his little bookshelf right here. It looks so cute. I literally was able to do like a little light makeup today and like curl these front pieces because Noah's sleeping here. Like, this thing is so convenient. If you don't have one of these, get one of these, because babies, newborns especially, if they're spoiled and breastfed like mine, he just wants to be on me all day. So this makes it easy for me to be able to get things done, feel productive, still do things for myself and take care of myself at the same time. It's pretty cool out today, so Noah's actually gonna be wearing some long pants, and I packed him a little hoodie. He actually has a shirt on right now, like a little onesie that's this color, but he's in this little wrap, so I like to just leave him in a onesie since we're like kind of body to body and it gets a little warm. But yeah, this is his little outfit today, actually on him. Still taking a nap, but he's ready to go. I'm ready for my walk. Look at this mush. Look at this mush just looking at his toy. No. That's the head of a toy right there. Now he looks like he wants to say hi. Do you want to say hi now? Do you want to say hi? That got it. Who you know? Say I got the coolest mom ever. She's over here at the playground doing crazy stuff. this is my little setup in my living room. I literally have my tripod and my ring light right here. I have to like move my coffee table over. And then on camera, this is like how it will look. I'm gonna go ahead and hang all my little clothes on the clothing rack. But I literally have to rearrange my living room. I'm not even gonna show. But all the stuff that's normally over here, I like push it to over there. And yeah, but I like how this looks. It works out. It's just what I do. I don't film that often. So honestly, like, it's pretty practical to still do this for right now. I do film at least once a month, like a try on haul. So it's nice to have all the equipment to be able to just kind of pop it up right here. So I have a tea stand right over here, which has some fabric draped on it. And then I do like this little kind of drape. And this is really just to kind of block the dining room area and that window over there. It kind of just bounces the light and focuses on the white. Normally, honestly though, this area is kind of just designated for Noah. His little swing kind of sits right there on the floor usually. Yeah, this is my little clean backdrop for filming. I have my packages right here. I didn't even like open them up. Like I opened it to see what it looks like, but I leave it like this so that I know that I need to film 1 and 2 so I can get footage of like the original packaging for the video if I need to. I always leave my packages like this. Right now baby boy's upstairs watching TV. I just got out the shower and got ready. I'm trying to make myself something quick to eat real quick. I'm gonna feed him in about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with getting ready and filming. Look at my independent big boy. Oh wow, you watching TV playing with your toy? Are you being independent? Are you being an independent, almost 3-month-old, watching little baby bum? Playing with your toy? Look at those toes. Okay guys, so I'm finally ready to film. I'm like laughing because it took me so long, you will not believe how long, to get myself to look somewhat decent. Well, I look very nice considering because I just have this little romper on from Shein just because I have to film like the promo of the video that I am working on and just kind of film some of the unboxing, but I actually have to do a try on haul. So I just threw this on so that I could just take it off and do the try on part. I am still wearing this wig. This is like day 5. I kind of left it in its natural state and just added some curls at the bottom and on the top because I was being pretty lazy and baby boy is wanting all my attention today. I've not been able to step away too much, which is completely fine, understandable. He is not even 3 months. He is very independent considering, and he does let me get a lot of things done, but he just likes to see me. So I'm gonna, right now he's in the room. You could probably hear the TV in the background, sorry about that, but I'm gonna just situate him downstairs on the couch so he can literally just look at me while I'm filming and he'll be fine. That way I can like talk to him behind the camera while I'm filming the clips that I am, because they're like non-talking clips right now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I think his grandma is gonna come by later. But I really love this hair, guys. I will have it linked down below. It's from Ali Pearl. A little behind the scenes, I'm literally filming some of the unboxing and packaging from this brand called Halara. But I'm gonna have them laid out in my bay window right here. You can see like the front little garden right here. And Noah is sound asleep. Taking a nap. I'm literally standing on my couch filming in my bay window, and I'm about to put all of these clothes on my clothing rack and get ready and to film the try on part. So I showed you guys a little bit of my setup earlier, but this is what it is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and start trying on the clothing and filming my try on clips. We will see how good and how long Noah stays asleep for. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and just film on the try on clips worst case. This is one of the outfits and I'm obsessed. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but this is so cute. Look at this top. It has like the thumb holes and it has the bra support. Like I'm not wearing a bra, and look how nice my boobs look. So guys, it is the end of the night. I put Noah down. I'm eating some dinner. Made some steaks, some green beans, and mashed potatoes. I just have it on this really cheap plate, so I'm like have it zoomed in. But yeah, this is super good. I'm currently watching Aaliyah's face. I also have the baby monitor. I'm also doing some emails. I have a collaboration with Shein coming up. So I just went through and did some pics and I sent over my choices in my emails. Another day, another walk, right? We are back at the park. It is now Friday. We had a little family picnic lunch date. We had some grilled cheese and fruit. And now we're just going for a walk, so I had to get it out. But I love this park because they have water, there's turtles, it's really relaxing.